Hey guys, welcome back to another video. How are you all doing today? Guys, I am sorry for not uploading videos for you guys. A lot of people on my DM on Facebook that I should upload dictos juice. So that video is coming up very soon. So let me explain to you guys why I've not been uploading videos. Your baby girl has started working, guys. I'm doing 8 hours, sometimes 9 hours a day. So yeah, I'm finding it difficult to cope with taking my son to school, bringing him from school, then going to work for now. So I'm going to be active, but I'm just trying to balance stuff so that it will not look like I am crazy. You guys know that Europe life is not easy, so you have to make sure that you are fine for your mental health. Okay, so guys, I've started a new job and I go to work 7 o'clock in the morning, then come back 4 o'clock in the evening, then go to my son's school and pick him from school. Is very hard for me, guys, but trust me, I am going to balance everything very soon, and I'm going to be giving you guys updates about flat tummy beauty to at least maximum twice a week. Okay, so guys, on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to drink a drink that will glow your skin from in. Okay, as you can see that the first thing that I'll be doing today is peeling my watermelon. You all know that watermelon is rich in an antioxidant, which and it contains vitamin C that can help fight free radicals, okay, damage and enhance the elasticity of the skin. The vitamin C can also help you to boost your collagen and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, so guys, after that I'm going to be using my ampoule, and I am going to be giving you guys benefits of drinking raw apple, blending ampoule yourself at home, drink it, and I'm going to be giving you guys the benefit. Ampoule is good to reduce the sign of aging. Okay, apple are a solid source of a lot of vitamins, guys. I can't even measure. Natural exfoliate, blemish, it helps you with blemish, it hydrates your skin, and it's a natural toner, and it's also good in reducing the appearance of dark circle. Okay, after that I'm going to be adding my tomatoes. Tomatoes is anti-inflammatory compound in is very good for irritable skin. Okay, the beta carotene, the vitamin C and vitamin E of tomatoes are the key ingredients that have a smoothing effect of your skin. Okay, so it's good to drink all this juice that will make you to glow from inside your body. Then after that you can use a good cream, a better cream, so that your skin will be glowing without bleaching. Okay, so after that I'm going to be adding my lime. Lime is good. Lime can help you to reduce, at least this is not just for glowing skin, it can also help you for flat tummy as well. Okay, after that I'm going to be adding my full cup of water. After adding my full cup of water, the next thing that we do is blend. Are you just see this channel for the first time? If today is your first time of coming across my channel, please do consider to subscribe, so whenever I upload a video you will be the first to be notified. After that, guys, I'm going to bring out the juice. Okay, just try, if you have a juicer you can use a juicer. If you don't have a juicer, you can just blend together just the way I'm doing. For now I'm blending my juice because my juicer has fault, which I'm going to buy a new juicer. I think that is more preferable, and that is more good. You know, you just put all your fruit juice in, everything in your juicer, then you just bring out the juice in it, and it's very comfortable. Okay, so for now that my juicer is not good, so I'm doing with the one that I have. Okay, so guys, after that as you can see, I'm bringing out the juice, you know, after blending everything together. which is very important. Okay, guys, I'm going to be giving you guys videos twice a week. Okay, bear with me for now because hey, my work, guys, hey, my work is I start work 7 o'clock in the morning, then finish 4 o'clock in the evening, but sometimes I finish 5:30, which is 9 hours 30 minutes or 9 hours a day. Okay, so bear with me, guys, and I promise you guys I'm going to be giving you guys updates about this YouTube. Okay, then after that, add to your jar. The next thing that you go ahead, drink to your taste. You have to taste this juice, guys. Drink this juice, like just do it yourself. Drink it and you are going to see the natural glow that will come from your skin. This one is not tell me I tell you. This one is this one are online things. No, this one is not business. This one is I'm doing natural stuff on my channel. I'm doing with fruit that you can buy from the supermarket. This one is all these online people now so that they do. No, this one is natural juice, natural fruit. Buy it from the supermarket yourself. You know, blend it together, drink it, and it's going to help you. Like, it's good for your skin. After drinking it, you see your tummy will change. If you can't drink it, you can add honey to it. For me, I drink it like that without anything sugar. I don't love eating sugar like that, but sometimes I still eat sugar. Okay, all right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I do appreciate you all. Thank you all. Bye, and I'm going to be seeing you all on my next video. Please try and subscribe.